Can you replace the Apple Watch with an Oura Ring? I've been testing the Oura Ring for about a month now, and here are the things I've found that I love, and here are the things that I just cannot stand yet. First and foremost, let me just say the Oura Ring 5 was just announced and it is currently out. I look forward to testing it and reviewing it shortly, but here are my general thoughts on the Oura Ring. Let's start with the good. The good is it's a beautiful design. I absolutely love the quality of it, and frankly, at 6'5", I don't mind the fact that it's a little bit chunky. It feels masculine, if you will, to me, and that's a good thing because I'm a large guy. I actually don't know if I'll like the Oura Ring 5 because it's so much smaller. It might just not wear as well on me. I also love the fact that it does the thing I cared most about, which is give me the ability to wear regular non-smart watches, which frankly I've gotten really into. I love having a collection of just random watches that I get to pair with my outfits and feel like it's another piece of my style. That's something that I, for 10 years, was bound to an Apple Watch, have been so looking forward to. And the other great thing is that you really can just sort of set it and forget it. I toss it on the charger once every 4 or 5 days and it's good to go again and again. I feel like I never charge this thing and it constantly is just running and running. That's great because now I can go to sleep, get great metrics, go about my day, swim, shower, all the things, and just have this on. The Apple Watch is something I'm more conscious about taking on and off, charging again and again. Even with the Ultra 2, constantly throw it on the charger at night because it really doesn't last more than a day or two in my experience, and that just might be because I use it too often. On to the bad. I will say there's a lot of things I just can't wait for them to fix. Sure, the patina's not great. It gets scratched and marred very quickly in my experience. This is the black one. They also have stealth and other colors, but yeah, even the black has these micro scratches, and I'm a very careful human, so who knows? The other bad thing is that it just is not good for workout tracking. It'll know that this start time to this end time, you were active with this heart rate and probably burned these many calories. But if you're trying to track something like, let's say, a run, and you leave your phone at home because you just don't want to bring it, well, you're not going to get a detailed analysis when you go into Strava or Apple Health because it wasn't able to track your route, no GPS, doesn't understand your mile times, and because of all that, it really can't give you a good sense of that workout. So you're not getting the detailed analysis that you'd expect from a Garmin, from a smartwatch like an Apple Watch, when you get back and when you're looking at your after workout report. I found this out the hard way, and I really don't like that. So it means I'm constantly having to wear my Apple Watch when I want to go work out. The other bad thing is that it still doesn't feel like I can do enough with my data yet. Frankly, I like sharing my stuff with my friends. On Apple Watch, we have shared activities. I love seeing when my mom goes for a workout or my friend's walking his dog. It just makes me feel communal. I love it. I also like competing. I want to have streaks. I want to compete with my friends. There aren't those features with the Oura yet. You can share and have people who you invite to see some metrics of yours, but something as simple as, hey, how'd you sleep last night? Let me send you my REM cycle analysis. I have to either create a sticker, which feels very craft booky to me, or I just take screenshots, and that's what my friends and I do. We just take screenshots and share those back and forth. That's an easy fix, or please fix that. The Ring is fantastic, but it feels limited without having your phone with you or pairing it with an actual smart watch. I'm a fan of big ideas, so here's my audacious idea, feel free to steal this, just give me like 20%, we'll call it even. If the new rings are meant for stacking because they're smaller, is there an ecosystem where Oura could put out accessory rings? So for instance, if I want to expand my battery life, is there a second ring I can buy that through inductive charging, just by the two rings touching, it's able to charge my Oura Ring, and therefore I've extended my battery life? And if so, is there also an accessory ring I could buy that adds a GPS functionality? So now I have 3 rings on my finger, one's the Oura Ring, one's a battery, and one is the GPS. And this way I can add on and off whatever I need for the workout or activity I'm doing, or maybe a longer day. I feel like that kind of thing would totally work. Again, Oura, you're welcome for the idea. Just call my people, 20%, we'll call it even. But ultimately, I really do love it. I bought the Oura Ring because I wanted to be able to go without having a smartwatch on, especially in moments where I don't want to be just tied and tethered to tech. It does great for that while still giving me all the metrics I care about. The one less negative aspect I'll mention, but everyone else has already, so why say it again? I don't love the subscription model. I really like the fact that if I buy an Apple Watch, I get access to all the features that I care about. It's a sign of the times, I get it, it's just not my favorite thing, and I feel like it can limit a lot of people from accessing this type of health. With all that in mind, let me know, what did I miss about the Oura Ring that you love, or what did I like about it that you hate? Drop something in the comments. And also, if you have the Oura Ring 5, how does it compare? Do you like the new size? Do you like the feel of it? Or is it just not as good as the Oura Ring 4 in your opinion? I look forward to your thoughts, and if you want to watch my Oura Ring 5 review, follow along. I'll be posting that shortly. Thanks for watching.